Bull Bay St. Andrew on Saturday. It was due to loose construction material on the roadway. The driver wasn't hurt, but his vehicle was damaged.
I was coming from Bull Bay side, 9 Mile side actually, heading to what? Heading to Harborview.
So the vehicle spun?
Yeah, spin around in because of the ground. The embankment, too much gravel on the roads, and I lost control of the vehicle. I wasn't speeding or anything. I didn't hold on to my brakes because you cannot hold on to your brake while strapped, while you see debris like that. But the gravel was just so much that it just threw away the vehicle.
And resulting in your
vehicle being damaged.
The motorist says he will be seeking redress. Last year, the NAA said it referred a similar matter to the police after debris from an overloaded truck smashed the windscreen of a motorist along the same highway. The NAA has also urged the truckers to cover their cargo and for motorists to travel at a safe distance behind.